A warm welcome everybody once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio here in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, as you can see, is Mini GT. And even if these two card boxes do look very similar because of the blue color, of course we got two different cars. We got the Bentley Continental GT in the 2020 GP Ice Race version, and this is the one I'm really excited for, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo. I pre-ordered this car months ago and now it finally arrived. Well, I would say I will start unboxing with the Bentley Continental GT. Save the best for last. Anyways, if you are so excited and if you are dying to see how I will unbox the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, I put some skip marks in this video and you can jump right to the unboxing of the Bugatti if you like that. So goodbye, see you in the future. Otherwise, now I will start with the Bentley Continental GT in the 2020 GP Ice Race version. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. This is the number 247. If you want to read this, freeze the picture. This is officially licensed product. So let's cut the plastic wrapping. I'm always saying this, Mini GT right now is, I would say, my favorite brand because of the value you get for your money. And one of the things I do really like about this brand is the packaging, because you will see you have this cardboard box and this plastic piece that is protecting the car normally very well. And if you don't have the car on display, you just put it back in the box and you can store it. I think that is really good. So let's take a look at this one right here. So, as most of the Mini GTs, this one is a replica of a real car that took a part in the 2020 GP Ice Race. I think it was in Austria. It's in the sky blue color, and yeah, of course we have some really nice details. We have this roof rack with these ski accessories. Really cool. Just look at these details. We have lensed headlights for sure. You see the number 9 on the grille, and behind the 9 you can see this white bar that represents the light bar that the real car has. Then we have those two-tone wheels that really do fit the livery, and as you can see, the focus. It's the Bentley logo, the B. Doesn't focus. The B in the center of the rim. We got this mountain livery. I think Mini GT has another version with this with a similar livery in green. I think it was for the Pikes Peak race, but I'm not really sure. Mini GT has brought out a lot of versions from this Bentley Continental GT. I think, I don't know, 18 or 20 versions till now. For those of you that don't know, those mini GTs cost normally between 10 and 15 euros. I think this one right here cost me 12 or 13 euros. Normally it depends on how much details you get. So this one has these skis on the top and a lot of other details, these two-tone wheels and that stuff. And just look at the livery. You got this Bentley riding on top of the windshield. You got the sponsor logos on the hood. Also a little Bentley badge on the hood. Back is also very nice. Got the yellow number plate. Inserted taillights. This white back. So as I said, these mini GTs all are have a metal body, metal base and rubber tires, and normally they do roll really good. Let's do the test. Yes. So that is special about Mini GT. A lot of those cars that are or that have as many details as these cars have don't do roll that well, but this one here does. There's even the name of the driver. It's hard to read. Here in the side window. Also some details on the base. As you can see, the base is secured with 2 screws on the body. What I think is a little bit unfortunate is that you don't see what kind of model it is or what type of car it is here on the base. That is something I would appreciate. But otherwise, this one's a real beauty. I got another version from Mini GT of this car, and that is the Bentley Continental GT3 from the 24 Hours of Spa, and this is also a real stunning model. So look right here. This is just impressive. I mean, what you get for the price, I think this was also about 12 or 13 euros. It's just amazing. Look at those details. These Mini GTs only have rubberized mirrors, so it's not so easy to break them off. This one's got a big wing. So, of course, it's a race car. Side pipes. A real fantastic model. And as you can see, I mean, this is more like it's not a real rally car, but it's got a lot of more ground clearance than the racing version. Yeah, it's hard to see if it doesn't sit on the desk or something. So, once again, right now I can't see any quality issues. Normally, I only got one Mini GT so far that has a very, very little quality issue, but normally these the cars of this brand are just fantastic, and I think this one is too. Normally I do those real-time unboxing and unboxings, and sometimes you once again take a closer look at it, and sometimes you see something that you didn't realize while you took the video. But normally, or so far, I would say this car is just perfect. And this I got also the, I don't want to take it out of the packaging right now, but I also got this this Christmas version of the Bentley Continental GT3 that is really, really, really cool. So this is not a real real racing livery. This is a livery that was especially designed for Mini GT from Bentley designer. Really, really cool. So now let's get to the main event, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo. So as I said, I pre-ordered this car, I think, I don't know, 4 months ago or something. And now it finally arrived. And I'm very excited. So let me get the knife. And for all of those that are interested in a quick look at the packaging, it's the number 266. Some labels here saying that this is officially licensed. So I think this one, we close the box. It just looks fantastic. Look right here. Oh, this is just fantastic. Look at those details. So, I don't know how much you know about this car, but this is kind of a show car that Bugatti unveiled at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. So it's kind of a show car for the Bugatti Chiron. First of all, this car appeared in the video game Gran Turismo Sport, and then yeah, Bugatti made a, let's call it a real vision, a real car out of it, and they drove it on stage. To, yeah, kind of preview the Bugatti Chiron. And this one is just fantastic. Look at those wheels. These giant wheels with the blue stripe around this giant wing. I don't know if you can see this. Torre Bugatti badge above this light bar. Got these two different tones of blue, and the darker blue, as you can see, has kind of a, I don't know how you call it, a carbon fiber pattern or something. So let's see if it rolls. Yeah, very, very smooth. So I have to say, I think this is the best Mini GT I got so far. This is just amazing. This one was a little bit more expensive. I think this one cost me 15 euros. But look at this. In my opinion, these Mini GT models, they hit kind of a sweet spot. I mean, you know, there are models that are a little bit more expensive, let's say 30 euros from tarmac or something. But with these cars, you always are afraid that you break something. I mean, these are really cool models too. But these Mini GTs right now, it's just fantastic. Look at the stance. Here on the wings, also the Torre Bugatti logo in blue. We got the French colors right here. The 16 in the grille and the Bugatti badge. Yeah, when this car drove on stage in 2015, I think this was just before Dieselgate came up. So good old times. I think now all she runs are sold out, by the way. Yeah, just fantastic. I will show you the base. Black metal. So this one you will get a special display place. This is just fantastic. I think I said fantastic now at least 20 times. But yeah, I'm really, really excited. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like, watch another one of my videos, or hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, or yeah, the best thing, you do both. And I say once again, happy hunting. Thanks for watching. Bye.